remove this. Under the steering. This is a fuse box. We have to change the fuses here. Open the fuse. Open this. We want to change this fuse ACC2 or ACC1. Both are fuses are gone. Note the fuse location. The fuse is here. Note that location and take the fuse. Use the nose plier to take the fuse easily, or the fuse clip are there, or use that clip also. This is that fuse, like this. There is a cut inside the fuse. It's cut off. A few fuses here. You have to see that shape and change the new fuse. I use the next number of the fuse because my fuses are gone very frequently, so I use that next number of fuse. This is not recommendable, but it's our own risk. Push it down, put that cap back. It fits. Put this back into that place. It fits neat. Ignition. It's work good. And cigarette light is on. The cigarette light is also works good. Thank you for watching. Bye.